Now question 9 part B says calculate an estimate of the average length of time for those people who are shopping for over 3 hours. So those people who are shopping for over 3 hours involves the last 2 rows of our frequency table. So we've got 60 people that are shopping between 180 and 240. So the total time, an estimate of the time that they shop is 60 multiplied by 210, the midpoint. And similarly, the 36 people, we estimate they shop between 240 and 360. The midpoint of those two times is 300 minutes. So we work out 60 times 210 and then 36 times 300 using our calculator. So 60 times 210 is 12600 and 36 times 300 is 10800. So if we get our total time, adding those two together, is 2323400. So now to get an estimate of the average length of time, so the average length of time is the mean, which is the total time, which is 23400, divided by those 96 people, and that, using our calculator, gives us the answer of 243.75 minutes. Now question 9 part C says 2 people are chosen at random from the 180 people. Estimate the probability that both are shopping for less than 2 hours. Now 2 hours is 120 minutes. Now if we between 60 to 150 minutes for our 18 people, that is a total of 90 minutes. That's the class width. Now we have 120 minutes, so from 60 to 120 is 60 minutes. So if we estimate the proportion of people between 60 minutes up to 120 minutes is 60 minutes out of 90 minutes multiplied by the 18 people, which gives us 12 people. Now we can refer to our histogram to confirm that. So we want to know the area that's bounded by this red line at 120, and that is, we can see there are 6 lines out of the 9 lines, so 60 out of the 90 multiplied by the 18 people here, which will give us 12 people here and 6 people here. So we've got 12 people less than 120 minutes. So the probability of the first person picked being less than 120 minutes is equal to 12 out of 180. And the probability then of the second person being less than 120 minutes, because one of the 12 people has been picked, that's 11, and one of the 180 people has been picked, it's 11 out of 179. So the probability that both less than 120 minutes, we need to then multiply these two probabilities together. So we've got 12 over 180 multiplied by 11 over 179, which will give us our answer of 132 out of 32, I think it's 32,220. So that is our probability that both are less than 120 minutes.